Hi guys, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a multiple face swap video with this really cool AI I found called DeepFakeMaker.io. So all you have to do is to sign in the with the website, and then I'm sorry, I think I clicked on something else. So you just click on face swap and scroll down to multiple face swap video. Then once you click on it, you will be brought to a page like this where you can actually, it says you can instantly create AI multiple face swap video that replaces many faces in one clip. So you can replace your original picture with various faces you would like here. So you can upload your video here, and you can be up to 10 minutes long, and the maximum you can upload it, the maximum size is 200 MB. And then you can see the video detection um, bot here, and then you can now swap your faces. So and once you're done, you would see the preview area here where you can preview your video and download. So that's it guys. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys.